Hola my beauties, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Gurish Kaur. Welcome to my channel, and today I am here to create this look right here, like a quick tutorial. It's quite a fun look. Honestly, it did not turn out as good or as I imagined it to be. Like, this is not my best work, to be very honest, but I still am digging this look. Like, I love the eye makeup, and I don't know, something is not adding up, but it's yet a very fun and cool look. So anyways, let me know your feedback in the comments and learn this look along, so please keep on watching to know more. So let's get started, and I want to start with my base makeup today, and I want to keep the base like fresh and dewy. So I'm going to start by misting my face with the dewy mist. As that's drying up, I'm gonna make my own foundation mix right here because I want the base to be like really nice and dewy today. And for that, I'm gonna take the Reach for Coverage foundation in the shade 20 Glow. Just a tad bit of foundation, that's all we're gonna need, and mix in there the illuminating moisturizer, and further just gonna buff that in. Time for some concealer. Just gonna add a little bit of concealer only as it's required. If you're wondering why I'm blending the under eye concealer with my ring finger, actually with my middle finger. So basically your fingers in your hands warm up the product really well, and it gives the most natural and just very skin-like application. And I've been loving to use my finger to do my concealer around my eyes for a very natural and skin-like look. Do give it a try. I mean, I'm sure it's gonna work beautifully for you as well. Next up, to set my concealer, I'm going to use the translucent compact to really set my face well. I'm going to heavily powder underneath my eyes and go light-handed all over my face as well. Now time to add some shadows back to the face with the Contour the Force mini bronzer. I'm using a stippling brush in a very light motion for even distribution. And to blush up them cheeks, I went ahead with the Salmon Superstar mini blush, and it gives a very beautiful flush of color. Next up, glazing my face with the Subtle Summit face palette. Now onto the eyes. I was actually wanting to do something really fun and quirky for the eyes, so I went ahead with the gel liner in the shade Purple Haze. I started to pack that on my lid, making sure that it does not go anywhere above my crease, because later we're going to blend it out really well. Take your time with the blending because it's a gel liner to give it that nice beautiful fade. Just running the same on my lower lash line as well to tie the entire look. And next up, using the lilac eyeliner to give my look another pop of color. It's actually a beautiful pastel addition to the look, and I really happen to like that wing. Then onto the lips, I'm gonna firstly line my lips with the Taffeta Terracotta lip liner. I was pretty confused with what lip combo to go for, so I did change a lot of lip options, to be honest. There I am lining my lips. And there I am filling in my lips with the Matte as Hell lip crown in the shade Sunny Randall. I did find it slightly brighter, so I did top it off with the lip gloss in the shade Velma Pinkley to make the look nice and cohesive. Lastly, just misting my face in. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. That's all I got for you today. I love you guys so much, and if you happen to recreate this look, don't forget to tag me and Sugar Cosmetics. Love you guys. See you in my next one.